Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan here, and here basically we are discussing about the currency part only basically. So in previous video basically we were basically up to the 5 crore people basically. 5 crore people means it's not a normal thing basically, right? To create 5 crore people basically, that's a normal, not so normal thing basically. That also particular post is given to the particular people basically. So that's basically big level manager people, management only basically can do. So the, for example, prime minister basically handles the entire world, entire country, right? Basically, so that basically is done by some management people only basically, right? So they are admin group basically. They basically handles the entire management level stuff basically of the prime minister, right? So they do the management bit. So they're basically the project managers are there. They basically do the entire planning, entire task basically are defined, entire thing basically, entire phase wise stuff basically are defined. So like this basically stuff basically are there. So management level planning basically are 100% there. So he basically knows that 5 crore people are going to come. According to that basically the each and every people basically has allocated to this post, that also basically has been defined, and their age basically is 22. So their birth basically has started from 22 only basically. So that type of thing basically are also basically there. So few people says that basically for this people basically this 1 crore combination which is created, this applies basically 100% this applies now, because they have got the blood group basically. They have got the blood group basically from 22 blood group basically. They have got one blood group basically. So the entire 1 crore combination applies to these people also. That's why basically 1 crore combination basically has created, na? Because there are basically more than 6 crore blood cells, right? Basically, so 6 crore blood cells multiply by 800 people basically. That is 800 crore. So 800 crore multiply by 6 crore. It's just to see basically what is the number. So that much combination system basically need to create basically. So like this basically more than 1 crore system is already created. Like this basic, that much system basically might need to create. Why? Because this type of combination will might occur in future basically. Mostly might occur in future basically. So that is basically different thing basically, because 6 crore multiplied by 800 crore means how much basically. That possibility basically is also there. That's why basically the combination basically of the system basically are more than crore only, are basically more than crore, kept as a more than crore. So like this also basically the admin department, the project management department basically of the prime minister and president basically, they only basically take care of this basically. Same way basically the 5 crore people basically is going to come. There also basically one project manager has allocated. This thing basically which we are discussing, that also connects to the project manager of the one of the software company. So basically one person is must basically, who basically is not supposed to do any type of task. He's just supposed to manage the stuff basically. Because management basically, if not basically, if one task is happening, right, assume that with 5 crore people basically are getting generated, lots of things basically happening. If one person basically is not enough basically, but 1% basically is must basically. For example, it might possible that under that 1% basically lots of people basically can work. So that comes to software delivery head basically. In software industry basically language, if we say that for more than 100 project managers and one software delivery heads, so delivery head will be only one only basically. So one person is must basically for the this type of project basis. So he will be responsible for this 5 crore people basically, whatever things, and if he can create hundreds of managers basically. Per manager basically can have 4 to 5 tasks basically, like creation of project managers, creation of software deliveries, 3000 software deliveries, creation of 3000 doctors, creation of 3000 engineers basically. That basically type of task basically one manager basically can do. And the software delivery head basically just have to manage this manager basically and their stuff also basically. It might possible that any of the manager basically might be doing some wrong process basically, so that basically the wrong process log also basically need to track basically. So like this stuff also basically are there, and this all stuff basically directly connects to the currency parameter basically. Currency parameter is directly going to touch and it's going to affect directly to the currencies parameter that are basically one. This is also basically one of the parameters you can say that the currencies basically are getting effect due to this incidence. Like this basically more than basically 3 lakh incidents the government has already created basically. So 3 lakh multiplication by 3 lakh only, so that much possibilities comes basically. So 3 lakh incidents is too much basically. Too much means very too much basically. So according to that basically the dollar fluctuates, dollar increase decrease, INR basically also gets effect. So one combination one day basically. So like this 3 lakh multiplied by 3 lakh. That just imagine how much basically the amount is coming. So that much combination basically the government has already created. Connects to the incidence basically, whatever incidence basically. So you can just imagine basically the incidence basically per day basically might happen. That is totally different incidence basically happens per day basically. So that affects to directly to the currency department basically. So currency department basically are always busy. That also 24 hours basically you can say they are always 24 hours busy. That's why basically the stock exchange never close. Reason? Never close means one country basically is running the stock exchange and night basically happens here. The another basically country basically is having morning. The circle basically keeps on going. So that's why basically the stock exchange basically never gets closed basically. Reason basically these are only basically because the 3 lakh multiplied by 3 lakh combination system is already created and system basically keeps on moving. System basically keeps on moving. Like this basically the things basically happens. That's why basically the stock exchange basically of the world basically that's never gets closed basically. So this also basically connects to the currencies to currencies and this incident which basically I have told basically the combination that also connects to the 12 lakh crore dollar money basically which is inside the stock exchange. So that type of thing also basically connects here basically. That basically is the currencies dependency basically you can say. Like this also basically the currency group basically say that basically we have basically this many combination, but few people say that basically this many combination. I think software industry also basically there is no database basically who takes this much combination basically. Then he told that basically yes you are correct, but set of basically database you can create, right? Set of database you can create, set of computers you can create. Like Amazon basically is there basically data basically might not fit into the one computer, so they are basically created multiple servers basically. In multiple servers basically they are dumped the each and every data basically. So like this basically the 3 lakh multiplied by 3 lakh combination easily basically can be fit basically, but it should be basically multiple server process basically. It would be basically multiple server process basically. So computer basically software industry basically can put this type of combination in their system basically. That also very easily basically. So this is also basically little bit about the currency system basically. In next video we are going to see a little bit more about this currency system only.